Hey guys, welcome back to the quick fix series. We have a MacBook Pro in which we're gonna replace the hard drive for an SSD. It's gonna make it faster, as apparently it's very slow. It freezes all the time. I found some spare RAM DDR3 in the garage, so I'm gonna try them out to also upgrade the RAM. But first of all, I recommend you to do a backup with the Time Machine to make sure you don't lose any data. And as always, I'm gonna guide you through on how to open it and replace the hard drive. So as you can see here, you only have screws everywhere. Luckily in this MacBook from 2013, it's normal Phillips screws. Here is a Phillips screwdriver, and remember the size of the screws, they're not all the same, so remember where you took them out. And this is the hard drive, the old hard drive we're gonna replace. So for that we're gonna need to remove this plastic part that holds it in place, and for that you need a TORX T6 screwdriver. Okay, this is a specific screwdriver with a different head. And then you can pull slowly, and then you're gonna remove the SATA connector here. Don't pull too hard, just take it out like that. And we're also gonna take this plastic and we're gonna place it on the new SSD. That's gonna help us to take it out if we need to. And as you can see here, there's some screws that we need to remove as well with the same T6 screwdriver. And we're gonna take it out from the old hard drive and place it on the new hard drive on the SSD. So as you can see, you also have the holes there. And you're gonna place them and put them back. Once you have all of them, you can connect the SATA connector. You're gonna flip it in the right position, and then you glue this again at the back, more or less in the middle. So if you need to take it out, it's gonna be way easier. And you're gonna start by placing the bottom ones in the holes, and then push it and it should slide straight in like this. Then we put the plastic back to hold it in position. And this specific crucial SSD comes with this plastic that you can place here. And it's gonna push against the back cover, so you just peel it off, glue it in the right position, okay? You align it properly, you glue it, and this is gonna help to push against the back cover, so it's gonna hold it in position. Not all the hard drive or SSDs have it. Luckily this one came with it, so I'm gonna place it anyway. And before closing, I'm gonna clean it properly to remove all the dust. And that's it. We can close it back, and we're gonna go to the software installation. So remember to place all the screws in the same place you took them out. And now you're gonna hold the Command key and the R key together, and you're gonna power on the computer, and you're gonna keep holding them. It depends how long it's gonna take, but until you reach this screen you need to keep holding it, and then you can remove it. Then you connect to your network, and it's gonna download the necessary files also it depends on your internet speed, and it will come to the macOS utilities. And now we need to format the hard drive. So we're gonna go into disk utility, and you should recognize the hard drive on the left hand side here is this one. So we're gonna click on erase, choose the format we want, okay, and then you name it. I'm gonna call it Mac SSD. Then you click on erase, should be quick, and it's gonna create the necessary partitions for the operative system to be installed. So as you can see here, it's already as Mac SSD, so we can close, and you have different options. I'm gonna start with the time machine as we did on backup. So I will put the pen drive where I made the backup, can be an external hard drive as well. Press continue, it's gonna tell you to continue, and here is the USB pen drive, is the source, and I'm gonna choose a destination, so I'm gonna select the last backup I did, continue, and this is the destination, so I want to put it on the Mac SSD, and it's gonna restore the image of the previous drive. So I press continue, and this is gonna take a while, and it's gonna leave it as it was before with the same files in every folder, and you will have the computer as it was before but on the new hard drive. Just restart, and that's it. There's another option is to reinstall macOS. If you want to have a clean installation, you click on reinstall in the same place as before, press continue, and the same, this is gonna take a while because you need to download the files, and then you will have to go through all the installation process step by step. So you choose the Mac SSD as it was formatted to that. If you didn't choose the time machine, you will have this option. And that's it. You go step by step, and you will have a clean installation, but you have no files, no programs, no application, nothing. And as you can see, it's more or less the same. And there's another option is to download and create a bootable installer with the latest supported OS. As before it was Lion. This downloaded Catalina, and that's it. You press power and you hold the option key, and you will have different menus. So you will go and install it from the USB. You will have the installer with the latest version, and that's it. I will make a separate video on the how-to series, and I hope this video was helpful, guys. I'll see you on next video. Once again, thank you.